Hey guys, me again, back with Dream Car Garage, and I'm really trying to move forward with this Fourtrak project which I started a million years ago. Today I'm at a place called Martrim, and the idea is I'm going to look at to source some potential materials that's going to go for the interior of the Fourtrak. I really want to finish it this year, so I've got some pretty nice ideas for the interior, so I'm going to check out some materials and hopefully get some samples. Okay, so I'm here in Martrim, and it's like an Aladdin's cave. If you like materials, there's materials literally everywhere. So I'm going to have a look around to see what kind of materials best suit our particular project, see if we can get a few samples together. Okay, I've been here for a while looking at different things I've got here, and it's unbelievable. I could spend an entire day just looking at different materials here. I've got a whole bunch of samples with a whole bunch of ideas of things we can do. So we're going to look at some of the samples now. This is a new pod that they do, and it comes already stitched. So it's got the backing on it, it's got the foam, and that comes already stitched. That's a nice idea. Interesting. Got a whole bunch of combinations here. Orange stitched with Alcantara. We got some of this stuff which is like a fake suede that already comes with a foam backing. Pretty cool. Looking at carpet combinations. Leather. There's so much choice here. I think what I might do is take these samples and put together like a mood board and then see what comes out of that. Okay, I had a great time at Martrim and I've got a whole bunch of samples, so now I'm back at Town and Country and I'm going to have a look at how some of these colour samples look in the actual vehicle. So the kind of idea I'm working for really is sort of a sports luxury type of combination with some leather and some tan, that kind of combination. So we've got some carpet samples. Some of these look a little bit too dark to see. Some more carpet samples. And now here we have the combination of potential seat coverings. So we have an interesting one here. We have this sort of leatherette that comes ready cross-stitched. That looks pretty nice actually. That could be for the centre part. That could also work for the door. We could balance that against maybe... Could that work with maybe a tan leather? So you have the contrast between the orangey type stitching and the tan leather. That's an option. You can also, the idea I was working with is I like the Lexus LFA. Who doesn't? I thought I really like the sporty kind of look that had. So that's really what got me started with this, the combination of tans. So let's get they gave me a fake suede, so this is the fake suede. Kind of hard to see it here really. Some more beige. So this is the fake suede stuff here. So it feels a bit like a velvet. It comes with a sponge backing on it, which is good for a little bit extra padding. So the FT project is well and truly alive. I'm just working on some colour combination for the interior. This is a picture of the door. And what we have some carpet, focus. We have some leather, we have some quilted cross-stitch leather, and we have some suede. So on the door, thinking carpet at the bottom, leather, cross-stitch, cover this in leather, and the top part is going to be suede. And then the chair, the seats, which is our Sparkle R33, that's going to be a combination of the leather, the cross-stitch, and the suede. So that's option number one. Now I'm going to put in front of you option number 2, or option A. Now here's option B. Similar kind of idea, but working with tan as a lead colour. So we've got a tan carpet, tan leather, cross stitch, and the suede. It's possible we could use an all tan version of the cross stitch to make it blend in. It doesn't necessarily have to be black with orange contrast, but the lead colour is going to be tan. And they'll combine in a similar kind of way on the door. So these are the two options. Let me know what you think.